Many businesses fail not because they lack potential, but because they overlook key fundamentals. At Kamad, we work with businesses to build sustainable strategies that drive growth and efficiency. Here are 5 critical mistakes we see businesses make and how we can fix them. Number 1, a lack of a clear strategy. Without a strategy, you are basically operating blindly. So you must set your goals, action steps, and timelines to measure your progress. Number 2, we've all heard that customers are your best consultants. You cannot afford to ignore customer feedbacks. You must listen, you must adapt, and you must improve. Invest in customer experience, feedback loops, and personalized services. Number 3, we all know that cash flow is king. A poor financial management will ruin your business. So you must learn to track your income, your expenses, and reinvest wisely for long-term sustainability. You must also learn to separate your business and your personal finances, and you must track your cash flow regularly. Number 4, you may have a great product, but if no one knows about it, you won't grow. So number 4 tip says you must invest in marketing. Number 5, trying to do everything alone. Delegation in business is key. So for you to build a strong team and outsource when needed, remember, successful leaders delegate, collaborate, and seek expert insights to grow faster and smarter. So which of these mistakes have you encountered? Let's discuss in the comment section.